I am making my drink soap. So summer drinks. So I made these embeds with the little umbrella and the orange. I am using Ruby Red Martini from Midwest Fragrance, which smells divine. Oh my gosh, if you like that really tart grapefruit smell, so good. So I'm going to be doing a basic drop hanger swirl with the embed, and then I have the top embellishments. So I think it'll be cute. I'm hoping the embed will stand out. So that's the gist of it. Relatively simple, but hopefully effective. Red Ruby Martini. This most definitely did not, it does not have the feel I was going for. So I'm a little bit speechless right now. I don't know. I was expecting a totally different feel. Less swirl in this section, which again, every single bar is going to be different. I like the embed. I kind of feel like I should have had less purple and more pink and orange. I don't know. I'm kind of speechless at the moment. Like, this is just not at all what I was anticipating when I cut this. Yeah. Well, that was interesting. It smells really good. And I mean, it looks cute, don't get me wrong. I just was most definitely expecting something different. I think what I should have done was done the base instead of white, light pink, done orange as the dominant swirl, and just a hint of a purple, but make it a lighter purple so it doesn't compete with the embed. Lessons learned. I guess for next time. Like I said, it's not bad, it's just very much not what I was expecting when I went to cut this. And I think my problem was the color choice and how I did it, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. There's no changing it now. Let me know what you think.